Hey, what's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 easy side hustle ideas that I'm trying as an unemployed online reseller. Now, this topic is very relevant to me in my life right now, as I recently just quit my job to become a full-time online reseller. I decided to quit my job and become an online reseller because honestly, my job sucked, but besides that, I was really starting to feel overworked and underappreciated. From my experience in the workforce, hard workers only ever seem to be rewarded with more work, which I think can be very frustrating and very unmotivating. I wanted to see the hard work that I was putting in actually pay off accordingly, so I decided to become a full-time online reseller. Now, even though I resell full-time, I still wanted to make sure that I had other sources of income coming in as well. By having side hustles that you can build up over time, you can not only earn extra income, but also even one day, completely replace your main income with your side hustles. So not to waste any more time, let's get into it. Side hustle number 1 is personal shopping. Now, this is a very unique side hustle. I've only done it a couple times, but I'm definitely looking forward to doing it more often going forward. So for those of you that don't know, personal shopping is where you can get paid to either shop or hunt down specific items for people or for businesses. As an online reseller that already has to source items for their own store, your knack for spotting gems can save people time and effort, which can be very lucrative on your part. Side hustle number 2 is ebook or guide creation. If you're an online reseller that enjoys writing, you should definitely consider writing and selling ebooks or guides. In these ebooks and guides, you can share your strategies, tips, and insights into reselling and the reselling business as a whole. This side hustle is really nice because you can earn a passive income from just your written expertise. People pay for knowledge, and as a reseller, yours is definitely worth it. Side hustle number 3 is offering product photography services. Taking high quality images is essential for online sales and growing an online business. As an online reseller, you're constantly taking product photos for your reselling business. With your eye for product photography, you can offer your services to fellow resellers or even offer your services to businesses who want to enhance the look of their listing photos. Now, if you are thinking about getting into product photography and you're a beginner that wants to list like a pro, make sure you click the link in the description box below to download my free online reseller tools bundle. This bundle includes the same Lightroom presets, description outline template, and Google Sheets inventory template that I use on all my listings. These used to be paid items that I offered to resellers in the past, but they are completely free for you guys now, so definitely make sure you take advantage of this free offer. Side hustle number 4 is content creation. One way to establish yourself as an expert in the online reselling niche is by creating valuable online content. Whether it's writing blog posts, filming YouTube videos, or sharing tips on social media, content creation can help attract a wider audience and also help you connect with fellow resellers. Content creation can also be very lucrative, as you can eventually make money from YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, brand deals, or eventually selling courses or workshops. And lastly, side hustle number 5 is niche subscription boxes. In this side hustle, you just need to curate subscription boxes featuring rare or unique products in your niche. Then once your curated boxes are done, subscribers of your service will pay a monthly fee to receive these curated products. I have seen several experienced resellers adopt this method lately, and I think this side hustle is only going to get bigger and more lucrative as time goes on. Now that you know 5 side hustle ideas to make money as an online reseller, the next step is actually figuring out what to sell. Watch this video where I will share 5 underrated items that you can easily resell on eBay and Mercari in 2023. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.